Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video.
Welcome to the jungle. We got what you need.
So let me show you the path that I've forged. Coming up here. So what I've done is I've trimmed a couple of branches, especially these old ones, probably struck by lightning or something. Got another one over here. You can actually see they've been damaged quite badly. And it must have been quite a hectic strike. So anyway, we're coming from the bottom there, and now I'm a bit in a predicament. I've got this pretty section over here which I don't actually want to destroy. I don't want to cut any trees down. I just want to be cutting down the branches. So if I look over to the left here, it is possible for me to actually wangle the Jeep through that. The only thing is I have I have a little man-made wall over here, which, I mean, this used to be a farm. So this area up here is quite dense and it's got big gum trees in it. This area used to be a wine farm, so that's just bushes. That's just neglected property. So I think I'm going to hook a left, try and get over these little rocks. Hope I don't get stuck with my stock Jeep with no winch. And let's see if I can wangle the Wrangler through this section over here. That is big. Got to move the camera because I'm actually like that close, that close. So without the negative zoom, that's how close I am. are just too spiky and they're in the way. So in the front here, everything seems to be fine, but in the back, I've got a little bit of an issue where I'm fearing that the front tire is going to drop down this ledge and I'm going to be beached out. So I'm going to just reverse, put some rocks into this area so I can lift that tire as I'm climbing over, and hopefully I don't get stuck. Most of this shit's happening off camera, bro. Let's give it another go. Okay. Do it again. So that's a sight you don't see every day. No one in the car. I hope my Jeep doesn't take now and buzz off on me. Ah, GCM. These thorns, they are literally the biggest pain in the butt. So I've got a bit of an axle twist going on. Because my Jeep doesn't have lockers, because it's a stock Jeep. This is kind of what happens. And when you have an axle twist, you'll, for example, have the front left tire spinning and the rear right tire spinning. And you completely lose grip because the grip is on the front right and the rear left, because that's where the weight is. But only lockers are going to help me out of this now. Maybe it's a good idea for me to get back into the car. Hang on. So the path up to now is past this little section. Like we started down here. We passed this little section, made some space for the Jeep to pass through, placed a few rocks where they were necessary. Otherwise the articulation just gets too much for the stock Jeep. Coming around here, this is kind of where I am right now. And gotta keep forging this way. Now let's keep driving. This is just bushes. I've flattened them a little bit. And let's just see where it takes us. Hey dude, there's a shed there, man. What the heck? So I'm just gonna drive through this. Let's see. I hope there's no holes or surprises. Big fat spider. Another one's running away. Okay, so I could actually drive up there. That is possible. But I think I'm coming to a place where I'm not supposed to be. Let's just back up a little bit. It does actually go down there quite a bit. I need to be careful here. So I've been working all day. It's already gotten dark. I'm going to collect my tools and... Who the fuck are these people? I think it's time to get out of here. Hang on a second. I'm the guy with a chainsaw. Ha!